Namaskar, Jai Hind, and a very good morning, everyone. I am Kapila Shekhawat, Principal Scientist at IRI, and on behalf of Education Division of Indian Council of Agricultural Research and DARE, I welcome each one of you to this blissful, ecologically perfect, serene Bharat Ratna C. Subramaniam Convention Hall of this NAS complex on the inaugural session of the annual conference of Vice Chancellors of Agriculture Universities, Directors of ICR Institutes, and this annual conference aims to foster collective visioning and strategic alignment among the stakeholders of national agricultural research system to contribute effectively to the goal of making India a developed nation. And henceforth, the theme of this conference, ladies and gentlemen, is Convergence of Action Shaping Agricultural Research, Education and Extension for Vikasit Bharat by 2047. Indian agriculture being an important pillar and enabler of Vikasit Bharat, this conference serves as a perfect platform for shared learning, experience exchange, and policy advocacy for transforming agricultural landscapes in the country. On this very fine morning, we are extremely honored and highly privileged with the benign presence of Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan Ji, Honorable Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India, as the most esteemed chief guest of this inaugural session. I request Dr. M.L. Jat sir, Secretary DARE and Director General ICAR, to extend a warm welcome by offering him a floral bouquet. Thank you, sir. We are incredibly fortunate with the kind presence of Shri Bhagirath Chaudhary Ji, Honorable Minister of State, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India, as the guest of honor of today's function. Once again, I request Dr. M.L. Jat sir to greet him graciously with a bouquet of flowers. Thank you, sir. You may have your seat, please. We also have amongst us most ever Dr. Devesh Chaturvedi Ji, Honorable Secretary, Department of Agriculture. He might be joining shortly. So I may again request Dr. R.C. Agrawal sir to please welcome Dr. M.L. Jat sir, Secretary DARE and Director General ICAR, as the chief host of the event. Also, this morning, ladies and gentlemen, we are joined by Shri Sanjay Gargji, Honorable Additional Secretary DARE and Secretary ICR. We are deeply honored to have you here, sir. And I would like to reiterate the request to Dr. R.C. Agrawal to welcome him. So thank you, esteemed dignitaries, for joining us over the stage and gracing the dais. Besides the esteemed presence of all Vice Chancellors, Deans and Director Research of Agricultural Universities, Directors of ICR Institutes, Deputy Director Generals and Assistant Director Generals of ICR, we are very thankful with the inspiring, uplifting and radiant presence of Professor Ramesh Chandji, Honorable Member Niti Ayog, Dr. R.S. Paroda sir, Chairman TAS, Dr. Triloshan Mahapatra sir, Chairman PPV FRA, Dr. P.L. Gautam sir, Chancellor Rajendra Prasad Central Agricultural University Samastipur, Dr. Punjab Singh sir, former Secretary DARE and Director General ICR, and also Dr. S.L. Mehta sir, former Vice Chancellor MPUIT Udaipur, who have joined in person or through the virtual mode. So this fine morning, we are extremely honored to have a galaxy of dignitaries on and off the dais. And to begin with, we'll now have the auspicious lamp lighting, and I request the dignitaries on the dais to kindly join the ceremony, please. Thank you all, and with that auspicious beginning, now I seek your kind attention for the ICR song. The song may kindly be played.
जय जय कृषि परिषद भारत की, सुखद प्रतीक हरित भारत की, कृषिधन पशुधन मानव जीवन, दूध मत्स्य फल यंत्र सुवर्धन, वैज्ञानिक विधि नव तकनीकी, पारिस्थितिकी का संरक्षण, शस्य श्यामला छवि भारत की, जय जय कृषि परिषद भारत की। हिम प्रदेश से सागर तट तक, मरुधरती से पूर्वोत्तर तक, हर पथ पर है मित्र कृषक की, शिक्षा शोध प्रसार सकल तक, आशा स्वावलंबित भारत की, जय जय कृषि परिषद भारत की, जय जय कृषि परिषद भारत की।
Thank you all for your kind attention, and now I request Dr. R.C. Agrawal sir, Honorable Deputy Director General Education ICR, for the welcome address, please.